Hi, I'm Samantha Santana, and today I will be showing you how to install my pre-pasted wallpaper. First, you will need to dust your walls, especially your baseboards. Then clean using rubbing alcohol. After the walls have been cleaned, take off the outlet plates. Grab a drop cloth and lay out your wallpaper. The bottom of the wallpaper roll will be labeled so you can trim it off later. Grab a bowl of water and sponge. The water activates the wheat paste on the back of the roll. Once you are about halfway down, you can fold the wet wallpaper onto itself so you can finish the rest. When you are ready to hang, unfold the top part of the panel and level it with the wall. Smooth the wallpaper onto the wall. You can use a damp sponge or paddle to get air bubbles out. It's okay if you can't smooth them out perfectly, as most of the air bubbles will disappear as the wallpaper dries. When you get to an outlet, you can create a little door by cutting the wallpaper. Then smooth the wallpaper around the outlet. Trim the excess wallpaper around the outlet. Continue wetting the panels and hang onto your walls, matching any of the repeats with the 3/4 inch overlap. Make sure to cut a small X into the wallpaper for any places you'd like to hang picture frames or mirrors. We printed custom-sized wallpaper to fit the small areas of our door frame. Email us for custom requests. After you've hung all your rolls, let the wallpaper completely dry. This will take about 3 hours. Then trim excess wallpaper around the baseboards and door frames using a fresh blade. Bring your furniture back and enjoy! For more information on installation, please visit our website, samanthasantana.com.